Hi, this is Jim's Vintage Collectibles, and today we're going to show you how to replace a typewriter ribbon and keep the original spools. So you can buy these universal typewriter replacement spools on jimsvintagecollectibles.com. Find the link in the video description. They come on these cheap plastic spools, so for whatever reason I like to keep, if a typewriter has the nice original metal spools, and actually on this Remington Model 5 the spools are slightly smaller than these universal ones anyway, so you'll actually have to do this on some models, but on a lot of models you can just pop these on in place of the original spools if you want, but I like to keep the authentic look of the original metal ones if you can. So first you just have to remove the ribbon from the ribbon guide here. It's usually just a simple matter of disengaging it from these hooks, pull it down, and then pull it up. And then you're going to remove your spools. This one has a little retaining clip, so you just hold that and take that off. And same on the other side. Then just completely unwind the ribbon from one of the spools. You'll see there's a little hook that's piercing the ribbon there, so just pay attention to which way the ribbon's going off of that, and then remove that. The ribbon's attached to the plastic spools using a similar little hook, so just remove that in the same way you remove the old ribbon from the other spools, and that'll give you a free end to put on your metal spools. Then take your empty spool and your new ribbon. You're going to get a little messy with this, and you just hook the new ribbon right on there. Then go ahead and replace that spool. So most of your ribbon's still on your cheap plastic spool, but you can now wind it using the machine, wind it onto the other spool. So on some machines you'll be able to just wind it. On this one, this functions as your ribbon reverse automatically, so in order to keep it from automatically reversing, you just have to hold this out slightly while you wind. So just hold that out and then start winding it, and you'll see it's feeding off of this spool onto the other one. Some machines don't have a winding knob like this, so in that case you'd just use the spool itself. Same principle, you're just winding it onto the other knob. Then when your spool's just about full, you're done winding. This one, so these spools have actually more ribbon than is required to fill this typewriter, so we're just going to have to cut it. But we're just going to cut it here. Then you'll take your other spool and the end of the ribbon that you just cut, and the same thing, you're just going to spear the ribbon near the end with that little pointy piece. Just poke it right through the ribbon and then give it a little head start unwinding. So then you can go ahead and replace that spool. Keep in mind the ribbon should be coming to the outside edge here. On the right spool it's going to wind clockwise, and on the left spool it will also be coming to the outside edge. It'll be winding counterclockwise. So you just want to make sure that's the direction that your ribbon is headed. So to replace the ribbon in the ribbon guide here, you're going to just take it, you want it to go behind that piece and in front of this piece on the end, and then just make sure the top hooks under that loop there, and then the same thing on this side. You want it behind this and in front of that one, and then just hook the top under there, and then just tighten up the ribbon and you're good to go. we'll just test it out. And there you go. We got a nice new ribbon. We still have the original metal spools that are the correct size instead of these crappy plastic ones. And that is how you replace the ribbon and keep the original spools. Thanks for watching.